Get Invoice on your Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily get Invoice on your Amazon app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So if you want to get an invoice of the product that you've already purchased, it's a really simple step. Just follow these steps until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Amazon app and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you just want to head over to the U tab at the bottom, and here you'll find an option for your orders. So just tap on your orders and you'll see a list of all of your orders here. All you have to do now is scroll down and find the order that you want to get the invoice of and tap on the product. And then just scroll down a bit and under other info, you'll find an option to download invoice. So just tap on download invoice and here you will get an option. So you can either download the invoice directly or the warranty or the pre-slip. So just choose the invoice and click on download document and the invoice will be downloaded on your device. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.